everyone, welcome back to Cars Updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Land Cruiser FJ-40. This iconic off-roader is making a comeback, blending classic design elements with modern technology. Let's dive into what makes the new FJ-40 a must-see for both enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, starting with its design. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ-40 retains the rugged charm that made its predecessors legendary. With its boxy shape, round headlights, and the signature front grille, this vehicle is a nostalgic nod to the original model. The bold color palette pays homage to classic hues while introducing fresh options to appeal to today's buyers. The high ground clearance and sturdy stance are designed for serious off-road capability, ensuring that the FJ-40 looks as capable on the trails as it does on city streets. The removable roof option adds versatility, allowing you to fully embrace the outdoors during your adventures. Interior. The FJ-40 combines functionality with comfort. The cabin is spacious and practical, featuring durable materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road life. Modern touches like a large touchscreen infotainment system bring convenience to the forefront, offering seamless connectivity with smartphones through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard layout is straightforward, making it easy to access controls while on the move. Additionally, the rear seats provide ample legroom, and the cargo area is designed to handle all your gear, whether it's camping supplies or sports equipment, making it perfect for adventurous families. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 FJ-40 is equipped with a robust engine that delivers impressive power both on and off the road. The four-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability in various terrains, from rocky trails to muddy paths. With advanced suspension and off-road features, like hill descent control, this vehicle is built to tackle the toughest challenges. Plus, it offers modern fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for everyday driving as well. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or navigating through city traffic, the FJ-40 promises a thrilling and confident ride. Thanks for tuning in to Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you next time.